What's up, everybody? This is Jay. I'm back with another product review, shoe review. Of course, that's my favorite, Sneakerhead. Of course, I got dope collection, especially since my feet don't touch the ground. Hey, what can I say? Anyway, I got a new shoe review for you. Some more mics. I got some Jordans. Now, these right here, the limited pair mics, as always. Very hard to get when they came out. And I actually copped these from StockX. Okay? Got these from StockX. If you're looking to get some good shoes at a good deal, check out StockX. Okay? So I got these at StockX. And as you see, came with a couple little stickers and goodies. And also, when you buy from StockX, it does come with the receipt so that you can see what you got, what you paid for it, and of course, the value goes up and down. And what do we have here? None other than the electric green Jordan 6 Retros. Dope. The only thing that I would change on these shoes is I would have this in electric green. Other than that, perfect amount of green. The suede. It's beautiful. What is it? Velvet? Nevertheless, you can't go wrong. It's got the perfect amount of pop. Beautiful shoe. Design. Jordans. The 6s. I can't believe these shoes has been going around for 30 years. And still selling like hotcakes and still look just as good as new. I was talking to somebody recently. They thought these was new shoes. I said, this shoes came out when I was in grade school. When Jordan won his first championship in '91. And yet, they still being sold now. Still look good as always. And I had to cop a new pair. I got about 5 pair of 6s. These are actually one of my favorite pair, but I'm a fair weather fan. Always my newest pair is probably one of my favorite pair. They put the StockX tag on the back. It's got the QR code for authenticity. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. So if you all want to check out some stuff with StockX, go ahead and check it out. You might even get a discount. And if you're interested in me making a video with your product, shoe, whatever it do, hit me up and we can make it happen. All right, y'all take it easy and it's on to the next one. Keep it moving. Deuces.